seem to have caught a gar on this. Line here. Is he still on there? Yeah, he's still on there. Not a huge one, but oh look, he's biting the boat. Look at this. He bit the boat. Ooh, angry fish. Angry, I tell you. This your first attempt at jig gar fishing.
Yeah, it worked.
It worked. We have found a successful method of capturing the beast from the past. Oh, he's in the net. Oh, wait. This other hook is in the net. Don't get it in your hand. We've already got a hook in the hand movie.
Yeah.
Oh, well. We're going to shut the movie down now. All right. Congratulations, son.